How to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo homepage. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find three dots located on top right corner of your screen beside your profile and below cross mark. Simply click on three dots and scroll all the way down till settings. In settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find search engine. Click on search engine and then click on change. Change it to Google. After you've done that, simply add a new tab and your home page will be Google Chrome. This is how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.